We bought this house in 2014 and really fell in love with it.
What we love about this house is just that it's unique.
We have so much land that our boys can just run around and get all the jitters out.
Oh, yeah. When we got the house, we brought the boys over the first time. They ran around the yard, grabbed sticks, and started ninja fighting trees. And it was like, that is the property we want.
Yeah. There's a lot of things that we love about this house, but we hate that we don't have a master suite. Having our own bathroom would be great.
We need more room. Yeah, privacy is hard to come by with a 2- and a 5-year-old.
Daddy has to use potty. Come on.
Thank you. You don't want to be in here. Bye. It's hard to use the bathroom without being interrupted. Hey. My turn.
To have a master suite would be absolutely amazing, just so we have our own privacy. Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. I think we deserve it.
Yeah, I think we do too.
Our plan is to take our son's playroom and turn it into a master suite.
It works as a playroom, but as a master suite, it just doesn't work.
So we're gonna take the carpet out and put in wood flooring.
Then we're gonna take these plywood walls that probably aren't insulated very well, insulate them the right way, and put up some clean drywall.
We'd love to tear down the ceiling and open it up.
There's not a lot of closet space in this room, so we're gonna put a big dresser kind of situation here.
The closet will be our master bathroom. We're gonna put down new flooring, a sink, and a shower. And after we're done, hopefully we'll have this great retreat for us away from the boys and lots of privacy.
Our budget for the master suite is about $6,000, but the project is very ambitious for $6,000, so hopefully no unforeseen things will happen that cost a lot of money.
We'd love to get this renovation done soon because we're wedding photographers and wedding season is fastly approaching, and this is the only break we have for a little bit.
Hopefully all that research in old library books and internet videos is gonna go a long way. And when it comes to stuff you can do, I'm kind of the opinion if the store will sell it to you and they don't ask for a license when you pay, you probably should be able to do it yourself, right? Breakfast, the most important meal of the day, especially on day 1 of renovation.
I'm pretty excited. This morning we're having coffee and breakfast. Chris is making crepes.
Guess what? When you come home, that room's gonna be different. What do you think about that? We're gonna take your playroom apart. And then that room where mommy and daddy sleep, that's where your new playroom's gonna be. It's okay, I promise it'll be just nice. Why are you crying?
I want my playroom right there.
Come on, let's go look. Look. Your new playroom will be right there. You'll be in this room. So when you wake...
Can you leave the TV there?
Yeah.
You can leave the TV.
Sure. School time.
Where's my backpack?
Right there.
Come on.
We're gonna get Hank off to school. Love you. Have a good day. Charlie's really excited about helping us. We're ready to get started.
Crowbar.
See? Is that all?
I think so. So today, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start demo. There, we got it. Hey, Charlie, you wanna see this?
Wow!
I can't wait to swing a hammer. This town ain't big enough for the both of us. Yeah, Charlie loves to help.
1, 2, 3.
He might be like this little guy, but man, he's got some strength on him. 1,
2, 3.
Watch it.
All right, you know what?
Get Charlie out.
Yeah, I don't want him around this stuff.
Yeah. Charlie's been a lot of help, but I think it's about time to get him out of the room. Insulation is a problem, and I don't want him breathing it.
All right, no kids, let's do this. Can you go get the ladder? It's below the deck.
Okay.
I'm gonna go put on my suit.
The next thing we're gonna do is demo the ceiling. We just wanna get up there and tear it down and see what we're dealing with.
Wish me good luck.
Uh-oh. Good luck getting down.
I just gotta take one step. And I'm like, oh, sorry.
Oh my God.
Watch out.
Whoa.
So we're in the middle of demoing the ceiling. I think so far so good.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Despite being surrounded by insulation, I am having a ton of fun.
What's that? Ew.
What? How do you feel about spider eggs?
Oh my gosh. Are they gonna hatch?
Oh, there it is, look.
Kill it!
He's tiny, what am I supposed to do with it?
Kill it!
Just jumped on me. That's gross.
There's a spider, there's spider eggs, and who knows what else up in our ceiling. It's grossing me out. You know I have arachnophobia, right? And this is like right where we're sleeping. I don't want to live in Spider City.
That's a lot of spiders.
Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Can't do it. I'm done.
I mean, there's only a small chance that they're poisonous.
I can't be in this room with spiders. I just can't.
Allie just left. She hates spiders. I can't do this by myself.
Then get rid of them.
How? I'm not a bug guy. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Bring the bleach, and then we'll just spray a little bit. I'm sure it'll be fine. Bleach kills everything, it's fine. Easy peasy. You okay now?
Well, sure.
They're dead.
Okay.
I promise. We got a ton left to do. Hopefully no more spiders, no more stops. We gotta finish demo tonight. It's gonna be a long night. Let's make some doors with some framing.
Okay.
Today is the last day of renovation. Last night we got all the drywall up and I'm so proud of us. First thing we gotta do today is do some framing so we can figure out where the bathroom door is gonna go. But I don't exactly know how I'm supposed to do it. DIY.
We have a hallway into the bathroom.
You know what? Let's go pick up that basin
Okay.
because that's gonna determine everything. So let's give them a call.
To figure out the design for the bathroom, we have to have the shower basin. So hopefully it came in because I'd really like to start visualizing how this bathroom is gonna look.
Thank you for calling. Our office is currently closed.
Seriously? So
There's-
we can't do anything in there without the shower basin.
That's the next thing. I mean, everything, that basin dictates everything. Man, today was supposed to be the day. You know, with weddings coming up, I don't know when we're gonna get to this. We're wedding photographers. We have a lot of weddings coming up, and hopefully we can find some time to come back to this room and finish it.
There's just nothing we can do now. If it's not here, we can't do it.
Yeah, you're right. I'm still proud of us. You?
Yeah,
Yeah, me too. I love you.
love you too.
Birthday presents are my love language. Really? I just don't want you to end up getting me a battery for my birthday or something. Nice try, termites. You lose. Thank you. I think it's not as bad as it looks. All right. My name is Chris Bartelski. My wife, Allie, and I were really looking forward to finishing our master suite, but it looks like we'll be sharing a bathroom with our sons a little longer. Yes! Awesome sauce.